this coming November 20 Thursday, partner, no, filing, and e-payment ng BIR Form 1600 WT. Ano ba to? Ito yung remittance return ng percentage tax on winnings and prices withheld by races track operators. Ito yung mga karerahan, kung di ako nagkakamali. EFPS at non-EFPS filers for the month of October 2025. Sa November 25 naman, Tuesday, submission ng quarterly summary list of sales and purchases, importation by a VAT-registered taxpayer at yung mga para sa mga non-EFPS filers. Fiscal quarter ending October 31, 2025 at syempre kasama yung sworn statement of manufacturers or importers volume of sales of each particular brand of alcohol products, tobacco products, and sweetened beverage products for the fiscal quarter ending October 31, 2025. Ayan, partner, yan yung mga paalala na natin. At teka lang, paalala ko lang, yung ano natin mga nung panahon ng bagyo na extend lahat po ng 1601C, 619E, at 1701Q. So, hanggang November 28 po ang deadline na ngayon.